Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how I assembled and customized a Makita LB1200 F-band saw. And also at the end I will share my impressions about this saw. I will also tell you why I chose this machine. The whole set together with the packaging weighs about 85 kilograms. So, let me start by saying that this saw has a very rich basic equipment. So, the kit includes instructions, pusher, saw fence guide, padded handle for carrying the saw, fence, legs and connecting strips for stand, pusher for cutting at different angles, cast iron table, and clamps and screws for assembly. The kit also includes 4 saw bands at different widths, a sawdust collection box, a wheel axle and, of course, the machine itself. The first thing I did was lay the saw on the chairs and secure the legs. One of the legs has a rubber heel that is height adjustable for even stability of the saw. Then I screwed on the crossbars. You can now place the saw on the legs and continue assembly in this position. Then I place the sawdust collection box. I put it on the latch in a special slot. Next, I'm installing the table. It is coated with oil from the factory. Therefore, it must first be wiped down well with solvent. It is bolted to the movable platform with 4 bolts. The angle of the table can be conveniently adjusted with a special knob with a scale up to 45 degrees and fixed with a lever. Then I screw on the handle and the wheel axle. I attach the guide with knurled screws. Next, I'll be assembling the fence. The fence is secured with a clamp on one side, quite sweaty. But for a more secure fixation, you can additionally use a clamp on the opposite side. Then installing the tape. I tightened the upper pulley first, a little short of the mark. And the pulley tilt adjustment. Turn clockwise or counterclockwise. Adjust so that the saw band is centered on the pulley. By turning the pulley adjustment knob, with the other hand we rotate the pulley and observe the web offset. Then turn the saw on and watch the vibration of the blade. If vibration is visible, still pulley until the vibration disappears. Then we adjust the bearings. First the rear one. Loosen the screws and slide the bearing towards the blade, leaving a gap of about half a millimeter. Then slide the side bearings, leaving the same clearance. You can also check the clearance with a piece of thin paper. Adjust the lower bearings in the same way. Now that the saw is set up, you can check its performance. The 900W motor cuts quite well and easily. The curve height is nearly 65 inches, allowing you to cut impressive sizes of lumber. Overall, I am pleased with this saw. I will use it for cutting curved parts. I will also use it to cut wood at different angles. I chose it among similar models because I liked its features, including cutting height and engine power, as well as its equipment. And the build quality is quite good for this price category. Thank you all for your attention. Feel free to comment. Have a good day.